Welcome, this is Gauri Gopnak for NE24. As per the directive of the District Committee of the All Assam Minority Students Union, a general meeting was held on Tuesday 25/25 at the Global Coaching Center in the Bhagna Sangan area of the district. The meeting was presided over by Afzal Hussain Tapadar, the District General Secretary of AMSUR. After prolonged discussions, a unanimous decision was made to form a strong 21-member regional committee named the Bhagna Sangan Girishganj Regional Committee with Mahabubur Rahman appointed as president and Abdul Hadi as general secretary. All present extended their congratulations and best wishes to the newly formed regional committee members. On the occasion, several speakers expressed that the newly formed AMSUR Bhagna Sangan Girishganj Regional Committee would work for both minority and majority communities in the area. They emphasized that this committee would rush to the aid of people wherever they are in distress. For more news and updates, subscribe our channel NE24 YouTube and support us by following our page.
आज সারা আসাম সংখ্যালঘু ছাত্র সংস্থান করিমগঞ্জ তথা বর্তমান শ্রীভূমির জেলা আমসুর অধীনস্থ গিরিশগঞ্জ এলাকায় পাকসাঙ্গন গিরিশগঞ্জ আঞ্চলিক কমিটি নামে একটি আঞ্চলিক কমিটি গঠন করা হয়। সেই কমিটিতে সভাপতি হিসাবে মাহবুবুর রহমান এবং সাধারণ সম্পাদক হিসাবে আব্দুল হাদি